Hello everybody, it's me, Rose. Today we are going to be unboxing the Alaska Boeing 737-700 freighter from Alaska Airlines. You can see the really detailed splash art they have on here. Yep, 1-400. Of course, because I am a 1-400. This is a pretty interesting aircraft. I actually did read through this before I started filming, so this is actually a pretty interesting aircraft. Yeah. And of course, the bottom of the box, as always. I bought this on the Alaska Company store for 20 bucks plus shipping, so it was 33 something in total. I recommend to check them out if you want some good deals. They're not sponsored, by the way, so yeah, 1/400 scale model. The backs of the box here, as real as it gets. I disagree with the superior quality bit because I haven't seen the best. And then top of the box, little barcode thing, and the side, of course, and then the side, of course. So yeah, let's get this puppy open. I'm sorry, I don't have a tripod. So here's a model. I'm not sure why I went belly up first, but I think I might do a review on this one a little later, but I'll just give a little show around here of what I can. Okay, let me just set this down on my little area here. So as you can see at the top is standard Alaska livery, you know. Here is the nose cone and all the door details. As you can see, I don't understand what like this. Oh, there is a couple chips there, but not gonna complain about it. But does anybody know what this black gray thing under Alaska is? If you could let me know in the comments what that is, that would be great. The wings came attached, thankfully. You can see the Alaska Air Cargo. You can't tell if that's a door or if that's a chip. But again, really detailed. I like how they put the antennas on there. And then the tail with the Eskimo smiley guy. And then the registration, November 627 Alpha Sierra. And just really detailed winglet. These are a classic. I used to see these as passenger jets in and out of Portland, but they're becoming less and less frequent nowadays, which is sad, but they're being replaced with the newer, more high-tech ones. Anyways, just as a little bonus here, I'm going to show you dorm kitty. This is Smokey. She's at least 15 years old. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. This is Rose, and I will see you guys next time.